Hi, my name's Ross Thibodeau, and I'm an orthopedic physician assistant. In the hip and knee clinic, we do offer total joint arthroplasty, both hip replacement and knee replacement, but we also do offer the complete service of non-operative therapies for any hip and knee problem, generally speaking. I really enjoy being able to work both in clinic and also in the operating room with our surgeons, directly hands-on. One of the most rewarding things about working in the knee and hip clinic is being able to see the outcomes and follow the patients through the whole process. I can see them come in on day one. A lot of times patients are having difficulty walking, difficulty with basic activities of daily living, and we can start them on the correct path, provide them with pain relief, and if need be, surgery for their issue, and then we get to see them back again in clinic and see how well they're doing and see how happy they are.